Hello my dear friends. Welcome to Learn Simple English with 3D Animations YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you an idiom. You will learn how to use the idiom. Make sure to watch the full video. Hope you will enjoy this.
These idioms are compiled from the Cambridge International Dictionary. The Cambridge International Dictionary explains over 7,000 idioms current in British, American and other English-speaking countries, helping learners to understand them and use them with confidence. The Cambridge Dictionary, based on the 200 million words of English text in the Cambridge International Corpus, unlocks the meaning of more than 5,000 idiomatic phrases used in contemporary English. Full sentence examples show how idioms are really used.
Mama, please, I want to know some idioms so I can surprise my friends.
Okay, my dear, I will learn you most beautiful idioms. Make sure you use these idioms every time. Then only you can improve. The first one is failure is the mother of success. This means failure is often a stepping stone towards success.
Okay, Mama, could you please explain it more? I think I did not follow you.
Okay, my dear. I will explain about the idiom more. An ancient Chinese proverb says, failure is the mother of success. Having experienced small failures helps people cope with major defeat. However, to business starters, success is the mother of failure. If I explain it a little bit more, everyone is afraid to fail in life. Many people are afraid to fail because failure can easily make us feel that we're not good enough. However, the most important thing to remember is that, the more you fail, the better chance you have to succeed in the future. I will tell you about a true story about Steve Jobs. In 1985, after Apple discontinued its poorly selling Lisa computer and faced plummeting Macintosh sales, Jobs was ousted from the company he started from his own garage. The decision came from the board of directors and CEO of Apple, John Sculley, whom Jobs himself had selected for the position in 1983, adding insult to injury. During Jobs' absence from Apple, Macintosh sales continued to struggle as competitive products from Microsoft began crowding the personal computing space. Microsoft simply ripped off what other people did, Jobs alleged. However, he added, Apple deserved it. After I left, it didn't invent anything new. The Mac hardly improved. It was a sitting duck for Microsoft. By 1997, though, Jobs was back at Apple, and picking up the mess. The company was months away from bankruptcy. Jobs turned the company's focus to innovating great products. By 2012, after inventing the iPod, the iPhone, and the iPad, Apple became the most valuable company on the planet.
Thank you very much, Mum. I understood the idiom really well. I will make use of this. I think you can use this idiom with your friends. You can ask any questions and make sure to post your comments. Thank you for watching. Hope you will have safe time. Take care. Meet you again with fresh video. Until then, bye bye.